In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Discord server activities, games on Discord. If you've ever wanted to play quick party games or run shared experiences right inside Discord, activities are the built-in way to do it. You don't need to install anything extra, and your friends can join from the same voice channel. All you need is a server with voice channels and the activities feature available. If you don't see the option later in this walkthrough, make sure your Discord app is up to date and that your server allows activities in voice channels. First, join a voice channel. Open your server, find any voice channel that you have permission to join, and click or tap to connect. You'll know you're in when you see your profile appear in the voice area and you can hear others. It's best to use a stable internet connection and a headset so the audio from the activity doesn't echo into your microphone. Next, look at the bottom of the voice panel. This is the section that shows your connection status, mic mute and deafen buttons, and other controls while you're in the channel. On desktop, it sits at the lower part of the main window under the list of people in voice. On mobile, it appears as a control bar once you expand the voice view. Now click the rocket or activities icon. It looks like a little rocket ship and may also appear as a game controller in some themes. If it's missing, your server may have the feature turned off or restricted to certain roles, so check with a server admin or try another server. A menu will open where you can choose a game or activity. You'll typically see options for casual multiplayer games, drawing or word games, board-style games, and watch-together experiences. Hover over each tile to read a short description, including how many people can play and whether others can spectate. Pick the one you want to run in this voice channel. When prompted, click Authorize or Start. Discord may show a quick confirmation asking for permission to start the activity in your current channel. This is normal and ensures the app can integrate with the voice session. Confirm and you're good to go. The activity opens instantly inside the voice panel. You'll see a live window for the game or experience, and everyone in the channel will get a join prompt. Your microphone and speakers continue to work as usual, and you can expand the activity to full screen for a better view. If anything looks laggy, lower the activity's quality settings or close unneeded apps. That's it. Jump in, have fun, and enjoy seamless games and activities without leaving Discord.